We have just concluded the final day of our graduation here at the UKZN Westville Sports Campus, and I'm here with a gentleman who's going to introduce himself as well as his research. First and foremost, congratulations.
Thank you.
Could you kindly introduce yourself, sir?
Okay, my name is Mthokozisi Buthelezi. I did my PhD at the University of KwaZulu-Natal in Maritzburg. The research I'm focusing on reforestation and trying to rehabilitate degraded forests. So what we saw as a problem was that many forests around the Durban area are being degraded for different land uses. So we're trying to find solutions where we can introduce sustainable methods that involves the community in terms of how can you solve this problem and then reintroduce forests back into the municipality.
How does your research address land degradation and restoration for sustainable forest management in the eThekwini municipality?
So we're trying to introduce remote sensing, machine learning to come up with solutions that can be targeted to the areas where we see that there's a lot of degradation. We were trying to find easy ways of introducing those methods, such as including the community, talking to different scholars, not just scientists, including multidisciplinary scholars.
And what are the methods that are needed for you to be able to execute?
Firstly, we need to have stakeholder engagement, where we engage people, because agroforestry is one of the solutions for forest degradation. So if we include communities, talk to them, we also include more jobs, more productive farming, because forests also have a lot of ecosystem services that they can bring back to the community.
And any last wise words you have for somebody who's pursuing their PhD?
The only thing that I can say to someone who's trying to achieve their PhD is be patient with yourself. Do not try to do as much as you can. Do as much as you possibly can with the time that you're given. Do not rush to say, I want to do it in 3 years. Do it with the time that is available, which is 4 years. You don't have to rush it.
Thank you so much. Congratulations.
Thanks.